I just bought it. Well, it's time. I've been kind of, well, I can't say neglecting, but over the winter my activity, of course, slowed down, and I've gained about 20 pounds. So it's about time for me to start doing something again. You know, I try all kinds of weird things for nutrition, especially when it comes to drinks. I try to stay away from the high fructose diets, because you got saccharin and sucralose in there. The body doesn't know what to do with it, so it keeps it, as far as I'm concerned. Also, proteins, lots of nuts, nut diets, and protein bars, and protein itself, and basically anything that I get my hands on that has any nutritional value. Well, the other day there was a email that came to me, and it was talking about something to do with bananas and what they do to your system. And it came to me through James Ward, and he sends these things out pretty much daily. One of these is 5 most dangerous lies about bread. Is bread really a staff of life or stuff of disease? You'll find the answers in the article below. Well, what that usually does is it sends you back around to what's called the cruise control diet, and they'll send you they'll send the articles to you in this, and then they're selling you health products under the biotrust.com company. So the other day I decided, well, they've got a brand of protein. So I says, well, and they were giving away samples of it for free. And then so I says, well, what the heck? I'm gonna try it, because I usually buy those type of things when I go to Walmart. So I decided, well, I'll give them a try, and I sent away for this kit, and let's see. Basically, it's the 15 quick and easy milkshake recipes for a flatter stomach. So that's what I'm going after, is flattening my stomach again. And this time around I'm gonna go ahead and push on that and see what happens. And this is put out by the co-founder. His name is Joel Marion, co-founder of BioTrust Nutrition. Oh, come on. It's 8 o'clock at night. Why are you calling me? And it says, a special message from co-founder of BioTrust. I am Joel Marion, co-founder of BioTrust Nutrition, and today I have some critically important information you need to know regarding your order of premium BioTrust products. And let's see. Yes, you get free personal. Let's see. First, I invite you to join our free private VP Facebook community, where you get live personalized weight loss and health coaching, which is cool. I encourage you to subscribe to BioTrust Radio and biotrust.com blog, category podcasts. And let's see, what makes Bio different from the rest? Quality first. BioTrust. All our raw materials are tested for purity and potency. We follow strict guidelines set forth by the FDA. And let's see. Good fellow manufacturing practices, quality assurance testing, the finest nutritional ingredients, no GMOs, artificial sweeteners, colors, or preservatives. 5-star customer experience. We take tremendous pride in providing our customers with our world-class customer service. Complete satisfaction, 1 year money-back guarantee. We're so confident in the quality of our products that if for any reason you're not completely satisfied, we'll issue a refund of your full price, even for empty bottles. And you're protected by a 365-degree satisfaction guarantee. Committed to giving back. No kidding. What's more, for every order that a customer places, we donate a nutritious meal to a hungry child to share our strength. No Kid Hungry program. That's cool. Well, that's cool. See, and there it is. 45 nutritious, rich, raw green vegetable, superfruits, exotic herbs, berries, spices, and our delicious taste testing without grocery shopping, juicing, blending, or making a mess. Alright, cool. I bought a green 45, amazing, delicious superfood blend with our organic spirulina and chlorella. Supports metabolism and curbs cravings. 5 grams of fiber per serving, no GMO, and free of gluten, soy, and dairy. Alright. So we will see. We're going to try that. What we got here? Well, this must be their product catalog, huh? Okay, cool. And protein blend. Looks pretty good. They got brownie. Protein bars. We're going to try them. I'm going to try it and see what we get. There you go. Protein brownies. Ageless Body Advanced Aging Defense Formula. Ageless Core Energy Boosting Multivitamins. Ageless Glow Skin Rejuvenating Serum. Advanced Carbohydrate Management and Metabolic Support. Organic Krill. There you go, your fish oil. That's good for you. Next Generation Joint Formula. Amazing Delicious Superfood Blend. Triple Action Brain Enhancement. Pro10 Advanced Probiotic. Advanced Digestive Enzyme. Advanced Fat Burning Support. Lift to Burn. Belly Trim Advanced Toning Complex. complex.